Have you ever wondered why certain colors make you feel calm, energized, or even hungry? Why does blue seem to bring peace, while red can spark excitement or urgency? Colors aren't just random, they influence how we think, feel, and act. From branding to home decor, the colors around us play a silent but powerful role in shaping our emotions and decisions. Welcome to today's video, where we'll dive deep into the fascinating world of color psychology. Stick around because by the end, you might just see the world a little differently. What is color psychology? Color psychology is the study of how colors influence human behavior, mood, and perceptions. It's not just about aesthetics. It's a powerful tool used in marketing, interior design, and even therapy. While color perception can be subjective, some responses to colors are universal due to cultural, biological, or psychological factors. For instance, warm colors like red, orange, and yellow tend to evoke energy, warmth, and enthusiasm. On the other hand, cool colors like blue, green, and purple are often associated with calmness, stability, and creativity. But how does this work? The science behind color and emotions. Our brain processes color in the visual cortex, but the journey doesn't stop there. When we see a color, it activates the hypothalamus, which is responsible for controlling hormones and emotional responses. This is why colors can trigger feelings like relaxation, excitement, or even hunger. Take red, for example. It's a highly stimulating color that increases heart rate and blood pressure. This is why red is often used in restaurants to stimulate appetite or in sales promotions to create urgency. In contrast, blue has the opposite effect. It lowers blood pressure, slows heart rate, and fosters a sense of tranquility, making it a popular choice in spas and offices. How colors impact daily life. 1. Marketing and branding. Companies are experts at leveraging color psychology to influence consumer behavior. Think about brands like Coca-Cola or McDonald's. Their signature red logos are designed to grab attention and evoke energy, passion, and even hunger. On the other hand, brands like Facebook and Twitter use blue, signaling trust, reliability, and calmness. Fun fact: studies suggest that 85% of consumers make purchase decisions based on color alone. That's how powerful color can be. 2. Interior design. The colors in our homes and workplaces can significantly impact our mood and productivity. Red and orange, best for energizing spaces, like gyms or creative workspaces. Blue and green, ideal for bedrooms or offices to foster calm and focus. Yellow, adds warmth and positivity, great for kitchens or living rooms. However, overusing bold colors can lead to overstimulation, while too much gray or beige might feel dull or uninspiring. 3. Personal choices. Even the colors we wear affect how others perceive us. Wearing black can signal authority and sophistication, while yellow can make you appear approachable and optimistic. These small choices in daily life reflect how deeply color psychology intertwines with our identity and self-expression. Cultural differences in color perception. Interestingly, the meaning of colors can vary across cultures. While white represents purity and peace in Western cultures, it's associated with mourning in many Eastern cultures. Similarly, red symbolizes good luck and celebration in China, but in Western contexts, it often conveys passion or danger. This cultural nuance is why global companies adapt their branding colors based on their target market. Therapeutic applications of color. Colors are also used in therapies like chromotherapy to improve mental and physical well-being. For instance, blue light therapy, used to treat seasonal affective disorder, SAD, and improve sleep cycles. Green spaces. Exposure to green has been shown to reduce stress and anxiety. Bright colors in hospitals, often used to uplift patients' moods and create a healing environment. The limitations of color psychology. It's important to note that color psychology isn't an exact science. Personal preferences, cultural background, and individual experiences play a significant role in how we perceive colors. What calms one person might energize another, and the context of where and how the color is used can also shift its impact. Colors are everywhere, shaping our lives in ways we often don't even realize. From the brands we trust to the environments we create and the clothes we wear, color psychology is a powerful tool for connection, expression, and even influence. So, the next time you see a vibrant red logo or a calming blue wall, take a moment to think about how it makes you feel and why. If you found this exploration of color psychology intriguing, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the wonders of psychology and human behavior. Share your favorite color in the comments below and let us know how it makes you feel. Until next time, stay curious and colorful.